Hey guys, it's JoJosmalls here, and I'm back with another video. Hey guys, welcome back to another video by me, JoJosmalls. 2 days ago, I took a 4-hour trip to come to Chicago to meet my best cousin ever, Chaz, who's letting me use this beautiful camera to take a video of this video. The day after that, we went to, there's a passing truck. We went to Funway. It was a place where we got to race go-karts, do these things called bumper boats. It's where you basically bump into each other and squirt people. And we played their amazing arcade and won like 2,200 tickets or something. Here's some footage of the go-kart race. Oh, finally!
Yeah.
Nope.
Told him not to waste his money on this game. He's convinced he's able to get some tickets. Some tickets for what? For an eraser? Let's see. Let's seem pretty determined.
No, I didn't hit the button! I didn't even hit the button!
You did.
Oh, maybe there's a time limit. There is a time limit!
See, it's a scam.
guys, we had an amazing time at Funway, and we hope that it was exciting for you to watch too. I'll see you guys in my next video, I guess. Goodbye.
Aww.